His gait is unsteady, and his senses are dull. He is filled with trepidation, and he fears for his lost soul. His friends are at best uncertain, he finds no safety in their home. The years have left him weakened, he knows not how to come to home. There is no God to wonder at, suffering has no great reward, and faith is just another word for not wanting to find out. Now he could return unto the fold, like some wayward prodigal son, like pieces of a jigsaw falling into place. That distant port suddenly in view, and someone is sending flowers. They must think him already deceased, yet he was there in the mirror last time he checked. Yes, he felt himself white just this morning. Well, what could be amiss? Nothing appears to have any form. There is no structure, and structure is required, and delays have not served him in his quest for completion, which has the status of a long drawn-out scream. I have no heart for this game playing, this so very strange conversation. Tell me straight what it is that you are saying, these thoughts which you are thinking. No, there is no future, no sense in this long drawn-out delaying, you say, and would I not agree? please listen. All the lines are blurred, and all these words that I'm hearing, they all sound quite absurd. You only speak this way when you have been drinking. Yes, you say that you, like a caged and lonely bird, wish now to be free. So speak of truth and wasted time, of lack of reason and of rhyme. And there is much in me to blame, I know. I fear this ship is slowly sinking. You talk of love that is no more, that has died, and it is time for you to go. Still, when you say to me yes, when you say out loud that every touch upon your skin is more a crime, well, this I just do not see. No, this I simply do not see. Oh, I really cannot say how this came to be. Oh, this I simply do not see. I really cannot say how this came to be. Mother said, you must not see him anymore. Mother said, next time he calls, my child, just close the door. Mother said a lot of things with words to cut the air. But Mother is not here anymore. Daughter, do not walk that way. Daughter, do not talk that way. Daughter, have a sense of pride. Daughter, wait till you become a bride. Still, Mother said, but the music would not let it be. Mother said, still, Mother never was a woman free. Mother, do not leave me now. Mother, I am learning how. Mother, I know of your grief. Time and life have been a thief. Yes, time and life have been a thief. Mother, do not leave me now. Mother, I am learning how. Mother, I know of your grief. Time and life have been a thief. Yes, time and life have been a thief. Yes, time and life have been a thief. Eating alone in this much too big small town. An old man studied the menu nervously, glanced around. The waitress smiled and inquired. He shifted in his seat, asked him if he had decided upon a drink, something to eat. The evening progressed, as such evenings always will. He had his memories of the past and nothing but time to kill. She could not make up her mind, too busy anyway to care that much. You see old men like him every day, yes, you see them everywhere. Yes, you see them everywhere, old men with their demons, yes, you see them everywhere. Looking at the blues, see your reflection in the mirror. You're looking at the blues, and no matter what you think, and no matter what you do, try as you may, the blues are staring back at you. Still there is nowhere to go. Walk 1,000 miles. Still there's nowhere to go. Find yourself at the crossroad. Go find yourself alone. No way back, no way forward. Head heavy as lead, heart of stone. Look to the distant stars, forever out of reach. Look to the distant stars, forever out of reach. And do not defend way, that which you never can believe. Look me in the eye, what do you hope to achieve? You tell me secrets from behind the mask you wear. You tell me secrets from behind the mask you wear, and speak of all those visions, born of witches' brew, nightmares real and haunting deep inside of you.
Once more, yes, that old 45 makes me wanna dance, makes you come alive. A night of blues in the evening, take me by the hand, hold me tight, turn me around, kiss me, yes, take me by the hand, and spin that disc once more, spin that old 45. The music does not age, we have been here before, in another time, a time of hope and rage. Lead me again along the path we walked so well, every flower, every tree, with a look we could name, we could tell. Yes, spin that disc once more, with that jump in the middle, that old 45, and touch me like you did when we were young. You know the passion in me would not take long to revive. Oh, love of this house, a witness to joy and grief, requires tender loving care, I do believe. So faithful has it been over so many years, still spin the disc, this is not a day to grieve. Yes, lover, spin that disc once more, and go through that box of records that has been collecting dust, and come with me, close the door. Yes, come with me, close the door.
There is great charm about you when you smile, and all the lights are shining, and all those sweet young things straight out of school, they cleave to you like you were finest wine. My own passion is too raw, this I know, still I am calm. I want you closer, it is true. You are the scent of life, a healing balm. And certainly I project too much. Yet I try to separate fact from fiction, attempt to differentiate between the ideal and the reality, and make an effort to reconcile internal contradiction. Oh, but your smile, this is the gateway to your soul. Still you are the stranger who keeps me at arm's length. I stand before you, a mendicant with her begging bowl. Me at arm's length. I stand before you, a mendicant with her begging bowl. I stand before you, a mendicant with her begging bowl. Your daddy has oceans of money. Your mama as sweet as the bee's own honey. They will say God bless you, then let you run free, allow you to be all you ever wanted to be. Nothing really matters, life a cheese and sweet bread platter, new clothes and fine apartment, no down market ugly tenement, fine restaurants and first night shows. You do not merely shine, you glow. This lifestyle suits a pretty face, providing you keep up this unrelenting pace. Just be aware, please realize, your chosen world wears a disguise. Nothing this good can last forever. A truth I hope you will discover. Yes, know when to quit and walk away. The night falls too dark, too bright the day. Time will heal this lifestyle fixation, and experience temper your infatuation. Remember, nothing is as it may first seem. Soon you shall witness other far greater dreams.
to write heartfelt letters now. I'm going away, too much time has already been wasted. I have no need for your grudging forgiveness now. Too bitter have been feelings of regret which I have tasted. I have no need to recall your outlined face now. The warmth of your caress has long since cooled. I have no need to imagine your fond returning now. There is not enough life, and I will no more be fooled. I see you are smiling, that look is beguiling. Is there something I have missed in the leaving? I hear your soft laughter. What else are you after? Must you in this way mock my grieving? And I know all this anguish is in my head where I languish, and 'tis only myself I am deceiving. I have no need to live on long-lost dreams now. The future, somehow perfect, has found me. I have no need for the love you once gave now. There is still much in this world to astound me. I have no need for the lovers who call now. With their bodies they blaspheme in their rapture. I have no need for anything, anyone, anymore now. Everything is free except these thoughts I must capture. To write heartfelt letters now. I'm going away, too much time has already been wasted. I have no need for your grudging forgiveness now. Too bitter have been feelings of regret which I have tasted. I have no need. Lover, keep your spite away, far away outside my door. Yes, lover, keep your spite away, far away outside my door.
nothing I can say. Yes, I realize that you have your grief. Still, there is nothing I can say. May well end this very day. And consider before you succumb to savagery how much of yourself you betray. You know, every hurt that you have suffered